Now we shall learn some simple if-else conditions. Basically how to branch out based on certain conditions. So this basic building block I have created. Now let's say we are writing a program where based on age of a person we want to give him some discount. Let's say for senior citizens we want to give certain discount. So we'll create a variable called age. We can safely keep it as integer value. Now we'll ask the user to enter age. So enter your age and we'll close it down, and then we'll collect this value and a stream extraction operator, and this value will be collected in age variable. Now start this condition. If age is say equal to greater than 60, I'll put greater than or equal to both conditions, so that 61 also gets benefited. If age is greater than or equal to 60, then what we'll do? We'll write cout as discount more than, discount is 10% say. Okay, we'll just simply write this, and we'll also write additional line here, and we'll just close this if. This is a simple if condition. If it is less than 60, we are not doing anything. Let me correct this spelling of this here. Okay, so what happens is, if age is more than or equal to 60, discount is 10%. So let us run this program. Age, suppose it is 45, so it gives nothing. Okay, if it is, let us try 61, so discount is 10%. So this loop is, this branching condition is working. Now suppose we want to maintain discount for others also, so we'll have else condition, right? And else condition can also be within a curly braces block, cout, and we want to maintain our discount of 5% for others, and we'll close this else block also. So this, when we try to run this, suppose this is 45, so discount is 5%. Try again with 60, this is 10%. So this is condition is working, and it is working along with the else condition also. One thing we must know, that within this if condition, if there is only one statement, then this, it could be just a simple single line. Some programmers prefer to write it like this, because there is only one statement here, else this, and it is like this. So this runs equally well. If it is say 43, then it's 5%. This is because after if, one could have multiple statements. So for multiple statements, this curly braces block is must, and for single statement without curly braces block, you can go ahead. So this is one full statement, and this is one full statement. This is one full statement, this is one full statement. And obviously there has to be a statement terminator, which is semicolon. So with this program, you have understood how to operate simple if-else condition. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.